Hi.
Hi,
Many congratulations on your promotion.
thank you so much.
So when I'm getting the treat?
After office?
Who are they? Do you owe them any money?
Oh, no, nothing. They just want to know the secret of my recent promotion and salary hike.
Okay, so what's the secret?
I'm a Power BI expert using AI. That's what makes me irreplaceable at work.
And where did you learn it?
Let's check this out.
Hi, my name is Aditya Goenka and I am an alumni of IIT Kharagpur. I'm also the co-founder of multiple 8-figure startups like D10X, Mad About Sports, Office Master, Profit TV. In my 3 hours Power BI Domination workshop, I'll be teaching you all of the things required to create stunning looking dashboards just like this. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link below, sign up for the workshop. I'll see you inside the workshop.